This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the exact Bluetooth chipset or device model and the operating system build so you download the correct firmware. Once done, make sure the device is charged at least 50% and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Unstable connectivity corrupts updates. You should back up paired devices or create a quick system backup now and close apps that might hold Bluetooth resources so the update can run without interruption. You locate and download the firmware through the official support page or the device's update menu, checking version numbers against release notes so you know what changes. Then connect via the recommended method, over the air, vendor app, or a PC flashing tool using USB, and start the install. During installation, keep the device powered and avoid interrupting the process. If a progress bar appears, wait for completion and let the device reboot itself. You finish by verifying the firmware version and testing connections with several Bluetooth devices to confirm stability and improved behavior. Check audio, range, and latency as applicable. If pairing fails or devices disconnect, reset the Bluetooth stack or perform a factory reset and then repair. This often clears stale states. If flashing reported CRC errors, power loss, or persistent failures, collect the error logs from the updater and contact vendor support so they can guide recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.